Hello, 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 Media Dot Exchange. I'm Arthur Neri, and this is Guess the Masked Singer.
Last night a little star smiled at me from afar.
Huh? I'm singer. Ang hirap ah. Pa-play po ulit.
Last night
Ay, Miss Pops Fernandez.
You got my heart and you had it the first day we met.
Billy Crawford.
I think I'm falling.
Pinakamagandang lalaki, Jano Gibbs.
right now, need you right here.
Nadine Lustre. Hello po, ako po si Arthur Neri, isa sa mga judge detectives. Iniimbitahan ko po kayong manood ng Masked Singer Pilipinas Season 3 dito lang sa TV5.